So here we are, the very beginning of trying to resurrect this truck. This truck has been sitting here for about 15 years or so. Not sure how long exactly, but it needs a lot of work. But we're gonna do it, right, Oz? I'm gonna take some video on the inside. It won't. That's all right. We'll fix it. Front end needs new valance bumper and some other stuff. Engine needs new battery, probably carburetor, plugs, wires, new oil to start, but it does turn over. It's not seized. Oh, the seat needs a little refurbishing.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. I'm gonna get in here and see that says wait a minute, 11,762. This thing has probably 300,000 miles on it. I think it's 317 or something like that. It's got a different transmission in it, 5-speed. It used to be a 4. It's got a Alpine, what do they call that? Amplifier in the glove box that nobody has found. It has a sunroof. Look at that. Headliner needs a little bit of refurbishing. Oh, whoops. I was trying to look. Ooh. Oh boy. Oh boy. There's some issues there. Achoo! Achoo! Woo! Ginger, what are you doing? Huh? What are you doing?
Did the interior of the door look like that?
I think I got it upside down. No, it's supposed to look like that over there. More like that the whole thing has come off. The whole door panel